Dauert noch ein paar Minuten. Muss mich erst hier anstellen. Bei YouTube. Mit sämtlichen Dreckseinstellungen. Hello to all. Kommt nix. Sehr gut. Ja, so ist das Leben. Life ist life. Sie sind live. Ja. Live sind sie. Welcome back to Asphalt Legend Unite on this 185th episode on this game on DefNation4Real this time on the PlayStation Network ID. Mostly that's actually all. We just dipping through the complete daily goals, going down a little bit these weirdo manga, hentai, whatever stuff there, and that's actually it. I just have my burger, guys, a beer. It was a complex day today. I know it's already a little bit thick and through, but actually not by actually having some flu or something. Just because there's dirt flowing around and stuff on construction site and blah blah. Right down there. Play the music. Good. Polar. What happened? Huh. What happened in here? I don't know what's going on with those all times. Sometimes the right side or left side is open up, the other one is actually closed. Fucked up. Oh ja, so ist das Leben. So, was ist los, du Bimbo? Magst du mehr spielen oder kein Bock nicht auf mein Handy oder wie? Oder was? Warum und weshalb überhaupt? Ah, ist daneben geschossen. Du blöde Matz, du elendige. If you just want to have actually from the game itself out actually kind of these music, the BGM music on this game should be actually offline. I try to let it stay on 50%, but I just want to give you a little jam in here what I'm playing for in the Asphalt Legend X playlist on Spotify.
Live jam here of the spotty URL.
Connection says go yourself. Oh, interesting. My live stream already ended up today. Yeah, I have a stable network connection, and we have problem maybe to connect to the server to the launch as well. Never happened before. What happened when I say back? I'm trying actually to connect as well. Well, I didn't know that maybe today the game is not working. Even the connections are perfect. Well, I don't care. I want to smoke one, drinking a bit. Here we go. Yeah. Maybe we have a... I don't know what we have in here. So very important for today. What just happened? Because yesterday I was not online to answer sponsorship. The sponsorship, here we go. It's still working. Good. Because I really want to have these Mazda RX-7. Game is currently being synchronized with the server. Please wait. Oh my god. What is wrong with the game? Ho ho ho. I just came actually only for this claiming stuff. And we can claim the monster will rise when it wants for 10 blueprints. First time I was royal to do that on the sport account now. So still we need more actually for the arrive. What's more important, I already got actually blueprints from them. These are 45 blueprints in 10 days. Let's see if we can hold that. Synchronizing. Oh my gosh. I think every game will be synchronized today. I do not know why. I'm terrified for today. Let's drink some beer, guys. Cheers up, Kapana, Schraube, Zervita, Gold, Protein, Ice Cream. What is wrong with this shit? Connection between France and Germany is very slow today, definitely. I saw 2 members actually in Reddit already being amused as well that they have a bad connection for this night. The first one was 16 o'clock 34 and the other was 17 and 50, so an hour ago. They have problems with the server as well. Ay ay ay, muy grande. Not so good. As well, this year or next year, the connection between PlayStation 4 will be disconnected on this kind of servers to have the server on the PlayStation 4. So this is the last year we can play this game, and next year until February the PlayStation 4 will have no services anymore for first hand games, you know. So this is the last year I can play this game. On PlayStation 4. That's terrifying. Seriously terrifying. For every claim I need to be synchronized, or what? Oh gosh, please help me. Fine, Brabad. And another synchronization. I think multiplayer today is not gonna be well. No. Shall be snuggling a little bit into Gaba Mag, Nitro'theBat and Power the Cat. Gotta be a little bit fucked up here. Synchronization. Oh hell no. Yep, multiplayer today and daily events are just fucked up, I think. Or special events.
How could you running the game?
We are doomed. What do you mean? Hold on.
Server crash.
Oh.
What you mean? I got 500 MB second 50 upload. German. I am unable to play. May I got better server connections? I also saw it on Reddit on 2x Germans.
Oh, yeah.
They got problems too. But I am also Android player. Server maintenance.
Okay.
I do PS4. Next year I can't play this game anyway anymore. TOS6. Cause the service to this game is offline at February 2026. On PS4 I mean.
We just mean with GTA 6. I'm on PlayStation 4, not GTA 6. I'm playing on PlayStation 4.
Oak white.
Yeah, everything's cool. Yeah, I don't know, maybe Monday is not a perfect day as you see. The game is currently being synchronized with the server, please wait. I can't play then multiplayer race daily or special daily events, so it's gonna be fucked up today. So today is actually then a story, single or career mode day. So I'm pissed a bit. I thought actually today I can drink alcohol and play a little bit because the frustration over the construction site today. I know that you are playing. Huh? Yeah. Not playing. I'm not playing. I'm just getting actually blueprints in. And even there it says synchronization, so we are doomed for nights playing this game. Definitely. We are doomed.
You, 3C8FD4 wanted me.
This is not gonna be well today. Synchronization, only for the VIP pack, ready to get me. Ay, 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 puta madre. That me. Yeah, yeah. Nice. I really try to see actually my own profile, but I can't. Oh, tonight's gonna be assy. Yeah. Tschüss ab, Campagne, das Robbie, salut, Gold, Christen.
Plane effects.
Oh hell. What a day, what a day, what a day.
Now we go from angry and mad to happy and glad to find a solution for us. We go from sorry and sad to ready to grab a weapon.
Gosh, even for the membership it needs to synchronize and... You're kidding me. Oh, my season reputation from yesterday are just gone as well. My gosh. He's so fucked up. Can I donate? No, synchronizing. Happy congratulations to your beer, if you have it, to drink it off. Play a race, upgrade something. Let's play multiplayer, forget about it. Where's the multiplayer?
Bro, our student or what?
What's the multiplayer today? Multiplayer, here we go. Bro, are you still in the what?
In construction worker since 1 year at Bavaria.
Okay, it says stable, but I'm not sure what's coming up next. Synchronizing!
Okay, now you are chilling. I got alk on me and cigarillos. Yes, I do smile. Chill out from work.
Why I'm not saying that? So many information.
Like every night live a stream. Well done.
Well done. Let's start a multiplayer race. Let's see what's going on. Unplayable. Cheers up! Kampai, na zdrowie. Salut, Skype, he's next stream. Oh, that must be enough, alright? For drinking session. Drinking session. Tequila and Smirnoff Ice.
Stuck with synchronization.
Okay. Well, maybe me too. I have time. It's 19 o'clock in here, 7 o'clock PM in Germany, Bavaria. There's 2 hours left before I go to sleep and eat. Or eat and sleep? By sleeping, eating? Oh, sweet diver. Oh, this is not working. Like for a couple of years ago, 25 years ago, kind of my Patchback family mother always was actually into the bedroom, smoking, reading books. Sometimes she was asleep with the cigarette in her mouth. Patchback father was coming and just get the smoke away. Price is high!
No, PFF, no.
Never! What the hell are you thinking? Sure, I got $2 million or something on my bank, and that's why I'm building a house, having a family, 2 cars. Oh sure, because I'm a construction worker. I'm a multimillionaire because I'm a construction worker, sir.
Emoji rolling on the floor laughing. Emoji rolling on the floor laughing.
Only because I'm a construction worker, you think actually I have millions on my bank? Man. It's better you're living under the bridge and have more money.
Oh really?
Holy moly, yeah. I think nothing works in here, right? I pressed already the back button. We go into limbo in here. Maybe I press continue wisely, actually back button, the cycle button now.
Yes, of course you thought.
Maybe, give it a try. But it needs to synchronize actually to go back to the game itself in the main menu. It needs 4 or 5 synchronizations right now. So I have to be perfect on to start, not anymore to press the back button to be perfect to get into actually to synchronization to get me back into the main menu. So I'm pressing here oh gosh, we are back. Oh, thank you very much. I'm so good in this. Where are my 136 IQ actually today? I'm such an idiot. How could I? So what are we playing today? Okay, let's see. We have daily events. It's on server. We have special events. It's on server. We have multiplayer. It's on server. We have new started career mode. It's half on server. Let's try this one out. Oh, what kind of a bastard didn't claim in here?
Emoji fearful face.
That face is so scary. What face you talking about? Yeah, that's why I'm sitting here dead like a skeleton. The skeleton calls Guy a Mac. down below in this actually skeleton stomach. What's that? Now I'm completely down in here. Guybermac and Nitro'theBat, that's the bat. So that's me actually. That's why I'm sitting here. Now, only the control. Can you take over today? It's just take over, dude. Come on, take over. Would you? Come on, you can handle that. I know that you can handle it. Just for tonight. You know, I'm just done today. Oh, you don't want? Oh man, you're a mistake. Nah, you're not a mistake. Since 2 years I have you. Everything's cool. You're my mascotti.
Bro only type don't speak.
Huh? Oh yeah, because what happened?
Emoji rolling on the floor laughing.
Oh hell. Thanks for the advice.
So worse I am?
Winning with the Chevrolet. Oh, we already won that vehicle. 1185. I can't get that. I have it as new. Oh hell no, I can't do oh no. It says win with the Chevrolet Camera set L1. Wow, that's too early.
For me
that's
better
too early.
to understanding.
For me better to understand. I'm just talking to myself. Normally nobody's commenting here. Nobody is talking to me. I talk to myself all the time. Don't worry. I'm just with myself all the times. Don't worry about that one. I'm actually all the times, 99% of my live streams, I'm talking to myself. Nobody's watching me. Everything's cool. Oh man, recommended. You're already doomed. There's a car missing. What kind of car do you have here? Chipney. The challenge only.
I am watching you. 3-8. German.
What
Bavarian.
Oh yeah.
And a douche.
Congratulations. Let's grill these mother tuckers. So I should shut the hell my mouth off. Oh come on, dude. So let's talking today in German.
Okay, that's great.
I am weird. Wow, they're already in front of me. You bastard! Here we go. Stupid talking bang. Now 50k for tonight, I'm on. Normally 20k plus, but I'm good with this. It's a disaster, this career mode. You need all the time's blueprints to go forward with it. And you can't grab them. Yeah, I need these icons, goddammit. The tearing eyes, man, all over the game. Another target.
Bye.
Say recommending is actually alright. And I'm going to the toilet and having a little shovel off my... that? Bye. Oh, yeah.
Thanks for one bye. Thanks, dude.
Matika.
Have a nice night.
Until next time, I'm going to the toilet and having a little doodle butter to run. I'm going to shit, okay? Doodle butter means shit. For the formally actually nicest way. The fox is out of the house. I'm doing some doodle butter.
The game is stuck for me. How do you make it work?
I do not know, but I don't see your question. I'm sitting on toilet and having some big business to deal done. I'll be right back. Please. Where's my toilet paper, goddammit? Uh-oh. Oh god, thanks. There's another roll. I'll be right back. Music is so loud over Spotify. Oh man, that stinks! Somebody got so stinky actually making doodle butter on the toilet. Into the toilet. Tadaimasu, welcome back. Let's try more luck. Order boys. Shall we pump the vehicle a bit up? We have some options. Nope. There we go. The final. Now that must be enough. Can we overdose the vehicle? No. I need another cigarette first. Do not stop a running progress. The game is stuck. Oh, here we go. The game is stuck for me. How do you make it work?
I got PS4. 500 MB per second 50 upload. May on your phone ain't work.
Cheers! Rösterchen. They really have problems with these phones, aren't they? And I'm on the PlayStation 4, man. Next year, February, this service anyway gets shut down on this game. Any more games as well at first hand. I'll be lucky to have it still the next 3 months. Ganbarimasu. Ganbarimasu. Ingolito. That's the show. Okay, take it. Better than nothing. To buy a car with weights actually double times with tons. They have supercars. What the fuck? Which has happened. Yo, little king. What about action? You filled up your ass with a battery. She say, power, bye bye, good night.
Godspeed for the last time. My rear views like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat. I did some dirt, now it's black. Who gon' smoke? I got gas. Who gon' choke? Who gon' gag? Who gon' boast? Who gon' brag? Who gon' most of this rap when I goes in my path?
The weekly competition. Oh. What kind of a weekly competition? It was a big mistake to go there. I like how people's actually not giving a like or something. Not even live in here. There we go, now I'm live. Stop 5 seconds beyond. This is not gonna be work, right?
The bond that we build cannot be broken. Candies are family ties. It's right to the wheels, fall off the road, and reconnect in the sky. That we stand and that we cry, keeping with us till we die. We had a hell of a ride, but now it's time for goodbyes.
Gosh, come on. Think a bit. See that? 19 minutes and 3 people just have a problem who had to go to this game. In 19 minutes. We are on the 37th minute. Already did a lot. Normally I take a little my time, my chill time. But now I'm pushing today and the server actually running well. Not well like normal wise, but it really pisses me off as well, I understand. Still working. Oh sweetheart, you got something I heard. I don't know what it is. Hold on. When I'm right, Mitsubishi Evo, right? So the body part is decode. What the hell was it then? Oh, now we can but I was saying we was getting something about this one. What was it then? No. No. Ah. What was it? Down the scar. Here we go. Ah, here we go. That was the one you should get. Oh, you have to press the quarter button. Oh yeah, sure. But not for the front. Not for the front. Okay. Whenever I just want to use you, I'm so sorry, car. Just a little bit. Wow, Korea. Korea? Korea? Okay, this is kind of a cost we can use. The maxed out is actually DS automobiles. Automobile? Max is 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.5. But I'm not ready for the Honda. It's Civic Type R. You can get pumped up. Okay. Firmly. Whoa. The legend came back. Limited time to win. Cheers. Ah, the miscal. Oh, I need always a fall. Typical daily challenges. They have 100%, you over 85% of the core reputation. Well, whatever. That was fun. For one of us, of 100 people actually, they don't come play the game. Insane. They stock and I can continue. Before the count on PlayStation Network ID. To run into plotting. Yeah, free try. We do not even have the core. Oh, we have. No, that's okay. I'm not winning this one anyway. Rat race, yeah. Snitch race. DjVolgin. Ah, so much. All the time. Daily challenges, you can't sometimes win them. But that was fair, okay. What do you expect if you're starting off on position 6, end up on the position 3 in the end? Well, that's actually 2 positions plus, right? I don't know. What's your reason to show up in here? Win the race, yeah, wonderful. You really tried, right? Ooh, 10 times, I'm on. Let's do some big money. But once we need it. Yeah. Once we need. What are we gonna do? Let's see to the D. Some money. Or only D. Let's do this one. Need a D class car. A good one. So for me it's running. I'm not sure about you guys. You must be banned or screwed up. I don't know. Too much into the connections. Did it. This I'm not claiming. Hope you guys are watching, not showing up again, because maybe your server are perfect right now to play by yourself. But thank you very much for watching. Having for kind of a half hour a little idle to watched on. Or maybe it's still synchronized. Never show your asses up on my account, okay? You youngsters. Ist gut. Wird eh nichts mehr. Jetzt ist er ein richtig abgefuckter Motherfucker, Alter. Denn wir trinken Uso. Du bist ein kleiner Uso und wir wissen, dass du trinkst Sex Uso. You? Yamamoto knows the best. Nobody else. Voll die Hocke hier. Taraimasu, by the way, welcome back. I need tequila, goddammit. A lot of tequila. Let it swamp it in. Not enough. That's tequila, goddammit. A 1 liter bottle. Oh crap, what the hell I'm doing in here? Oh, here we go. Good night. Cheers. That's my control system. Ah, wow. There's a lot of tequila in there. You're not showing up until 500, right? So be slow and touch everything. I think 500 you need. Make good light night. Spaß mit dem Wechsel, ne? Okay, Alles gut, alles gut. 61 heißt. More I can't do. More I can't do. Okay, the beginning was me, so what the hell? It's just miserable and I just give a fuck. From 61 to 106. Come on, what the hell? So not 54. 55. So look. Come on. I mean, no, 40. It's 44. Yeah, sorry for that one. 45. Here we go. The next one is, of course, 600. Oh, hell no. Let's see what's coming up in here. Banda Electrics. Dendrobium. Dendrobium. So we need a 30, a 40, and maybe some nitro time. Okay. So 40 is the maximum. Some strangling 10 seconds nitro. Show me the track, not the girls. I can't even see the music sound in here. Already done. Nitro time. Ah, God, I hate that. I seriously hate that manipulation in here. You couldn't go to 100, right? B. Oh gosh, that music is so annoying. Can somebody just like my live stream, please? No one. I'm doomed. "1942. Let's see, what was that? Adolf Hitler. And you don't care anymore.
Guide you to the finish line. I have high hopes for you.
Run, off. This stupid music sign. Where is the middle part? The left or right? Oh, you beast. Mother in hell. My microphone working, or they're not watching because my microphone is working, you piece of son of a mother crap. Nobody cares. I was beautiful. It's the king tonight. D.R.O. I'm promoting tonight the game, or people are seeing something's working. Maybe it works on them as well. I don't think so. Double maybe come back with these questions. I got a new emoji. You're welcome. Once we can try again, but it brings nothing. Maybe we can beat actually more than 100. But I don't care. Until next day. Oh gosh, that's actually on Zombie there. She should turn on, definitely. As you say, next day. Another car we have to promote. Five cars now to promote. Holy shoot. Obviously try to be done with. Emotion buttons. Emoji buttons? We got the reaction buttons. Got the new one. You wanna have it? Goodbye. want. No joke. You had to claim something, dude. I don't know what they're saying. I have to claim something in here. I can't see that button, you know. They say claim something. 150k, here we go. That's why I'm not seeing that, because actually Carbon Mag, Nitro'theBat and Powerball Cat is actually in there. I'm a good mood, right? Let's see though. Okay, daily events, special events, multiplayer is only the career we can play. Multiplayer is dead tonight. Recommends a 984. You got a 984 to recommend actually this dealing gun super job. Activate your superpowers in here. Be hard as goes to no one. The person maybe hates us marginally. He may be in touch. Oh, 5, another 5-0.
Royalty is in my DNA. I'll never be the type to settle for okay. See me coming up, yeah, I'm on the way.
Never get that from your account, hey, on you. Oh, here we go again.
Accelerating till it's full speed. No other form will prosper against me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
It is possible.
Sparks go up in flames, can't just walk away. Reckless is my name, overkill insane. Careful what you say. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream.
For the seconds to go. Tschüss, ja, Campaign, da schauen wir zu dir für die 12 Next spielen. tomorrow. Oh me, 41. Are you won? I'm stuck in here. "69 minutes on the live stream." 69 minutes on the live stream. He completed this career. Isolation. I gotta pee. I grab me a beer. Thank you very much for watching.
Server error, global no login you.
I'm running to my fridge and grab me some beer, but at the same time peeing. Hold on, I'll be right back. Give me just a half minute. Obviously it's question. But so nicely. Yeah. I think you put a question sign behind all the questions. 20 seconds left. Starting up the pee, goddammit. What is this? What presidents are playing a bad game? Gasoil. 10 seconds left. I'm still peeing. Oh, come on, is this ever ending? You are over 10 seconds already. 40 seconds you in. I just wanna be actually get rich. Are you Pisces are sleeping? Open up my... It's gonna be a minute, right? Here's the beer. Blood of the switch to the switch. Taraimasu. What was the question again? Let me see. Server error. Global no log view. Oh my gosh.
In special.
Oh, can't type nothing anymore in here.
Be a German douche. So they let me.
Seriously, they let me go actually even when I want multiplayer. But there's nobody out there actually play with me. One versus myself or what? There's no server 1 versus 1. Claim. I don't care. Claim nothing. How's my chances in here? You need to win the race. 1120. Why you couldn't win in here, Chris? Because I'm a douchebag. I'm douchebag. Cheers. Yeah, something like that. It's number 5 today is asking for. Well, 73 minutes in the live stream. Daily challenge, special challenges, absorbed. No, there's actually multiplayer I need 3 times and I can't go in there. Because no people actually can go to multiplayer. I can, but I'm waiting actually for other 5 or 7 opponents in here. I should go left or right, I don't know. Muscle power, come on, do done the stuff. I already died, right? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. The game itself is cheating. I press the anchor, they press the anchor. Stop thing me. That was a bit of a mistake. And we won. That was close. Versus a Viper, or what was that? Was there a Viper in there? Yeah, it was. Malek. Cadillac and crack, come on. See what the concept. How much money running in? Oh yeah, 19k? That's okay. That be your driver. There's so many people actually watching and nobody likes it. Nobody just, you know, observes something like subscribe. They're on cell phone, so they can't like or subscribe. That's very nice. You actually can do done that one and have fun. I'm not playing this game actually manually all the times. I'm a CarX. I'm playing other video games all the time through. And it should be Witcher 3 or something, but I'm playing actually a lot of. Even chill it up, actually cheap games, so enjoy yourself. It is the last 4 months before we get served actually shut down on PlayStation 4. So enjoy the last time live streaming on myself, the last 3 or 4 weeks, actually months. So I'm really getting off in here. This is actually 3 months, the last time I'm playing in here. Then the PlayStation 4 server is actually going off. January, February 2026. And my ass is not actually going into in this live streams anymore. So thank you very much for no donation, no likes, no subscribes, nothing else. Have a nice time. Bye bye. My whole room by myself. And the car is full. Never touching the daily goals anymore then. Unlock the Ethereum Lamborghini. My 4th account, my 4th PlayStation Network account in the last 2.5 months to get actually a platinum 4 times then. So it takes me another half month. I got 4 times platinum on PlayStation 4. Once by help and 3 times without help on these Unite Pass, whatever they're calling it. I'm not giving money away anymore for this game. Eureka 7. Let me know what's going on there. If you want to go down there. An upgrade. Another. Oh, not an upgrade. God damn it. Very close for that. It helps a lot. Yeah. So multiplayer is that today. Yeah.
Bismillah. Hey. Showing living by the G code. What the is fleek though? Don't ask them.
I was also rise and shine for that one. It was a wildcat. Far away.
I'm off it. It's quiet form. Time to put the temper tantrum to the quiet corner. Hush. That's enough, said the ruler. No suckers allowed to break bread or asunder. The daylight, lightning, and the thunder. Sun, moon, and stars, and the hunger.
121.
Lessons and troubles. Towers and tunnels, views and valleys, waves and peaks. Streets shoot from sun, planet Earth. And ain't scared of no Mars attack. What type of bars is that? Stay off my chat. I'm out they corny riot garments. Top 5 dial on them. Super fly, slick a top rope. Eagle diving on them. You wire lion.
It would be nice actually to see somewhere else my time record. 121. Oh, they changed it. Look at that! 4 seconds faster. Why I can't handle that car better than these other supercars? These neon light blue there. I crashed in the beginning. Seriously, these electronic cars, I don't know about his names. Look at that. 4. Hold on, it's actually more than 5 seconds. My simulation, man. I was faster than that. Here we go. Got another one. 24 actually overclock chips. No, sorry, man. That was one. Need more actually credits. That's great, dude. This car is faster than the Neon, whatever it is. There we go. I just give a fuck about your bank. You have money. You must be multimillionaire. Get away from this shit. So nothing happened. From 123 to 115, 100% years. Should be better. Oh gosh, that girl. That's 700. What is stage 9? Okay, zombie girl, I just came back. You said already collect 100 of them. Should be able to get actually 150. The Mustang. Where rolls and go? Twice. Airtime 7. Sounds old now. It's gonna be complicated, eh? Alright. Already maxed out, zombie girl. $150. What the fuck? Let's drop the AI. Yeah.
Yo, my game isn't working. Why?
Ah, shit. Damn it.
Bad satellite internet. You got.
Whoa, 200 free, man. That is superstar. If I'm driving, 100 150, 180 maximum. We bounced to the next level already. Nice one. That was a good actually deserve to myself to say, let's do not manually, do it actually KI or AI automatically. That was nice.
I'm on 5G Wi-Fi, everything else is worrying.
You have no 6G, man. It doesn't matter. The internet is wrong. You have maybe old Android or something. You need 6G, man. You need a new cell phone and actually a 6G. Let's see. Just upgrade your fucking Android.
I'm on PC, my game was working recently but now it's not.
Never heard about the news, right? Since 1 week I have that. I'm not concerned about you guys. And I'm a normal guy. I'm a construction worker. I have that still. 5G Wi-Fi. Wow, crazy. I'm sorry, man. Something is wrong then.
May you pay to less smile.
Stunts 4. Ah, I forgot these stunts and airtime shit. Barrel rolls, airtime, stunts. Okay. Airtime 7. How you wanna be done that one in one? It's impossible. Game is a piece of shit sometimes. They're getting together actually by 200.
Time to give it your best! Aim for the top!
Fuck, these bitch. Great. Got the bottom house. Your time. The jump wheel. Is it jump wheel? I even beat myself. Okay, okay, look at that. Let's see what we did. I'm really conscious, but... Okay, 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 and... None okay. Barrel rolled and 1 to go. Oh my god, and 1. It's mostly impossible. Whoa. But I beat myself. Damn it! Double Mag, Nitro'theBat, Powerball Cat. That was just sorceress. How's it doing for the next gen? Can we go forward? Yes, we can. 700. 800. This is what the Civic can be done with. They say just finish a race. You're not getting very much in there. 900. What you say? The same. You type. Oh, we got actually stores up the food. Honda Civic? When there's actually a Skyline? Oh dear. So pump up whatever you can, right? Is it Murphy?
Genki desu.
I thought so. This is really bitching on. Just win the race, yeah. But we need to actually clash in. Some music lessons, best score 43. Let's do another one.
Members of my fan flock always give it their best. So, Joe Bird, get in there and win that race.
Easy peasy, yeah. Fuck! Sometimes the AI wins. That's your honey track, huh? Lucky zombie. If you not play the AI, can't beat this 47, I promise you. Oh, we have to play with the Honda! Yamamoto! That was too easy! I'm out. I'm peeing. Let's play the AI. Be right back, Martane. Oh my gosh! Let's play the AI first, and I'm coming in. I need to go to the toilet. My time is running out to play this game. I think we already dead. I can't watch, I'm standing in front of the toilet and peeing off. The listen about actually 23 or maybe 17. Let's see. I'm coming back now. Abwasservergütung wird jetzt um 20% erhöht. Das heißt, ich sollte erst beim 5. Mal runterspülen. Oh, 17? 23? Okay. I was in the middle part. Mate can do done better. That helped us nothing. $900 and done. Oh my god, and done. You can do done so much in here. 0 actually. I can't beat the 43. That was already too much. It's just Civic, man. Maybe did ask you something. Put in. Ich hab da größere Pläne. Branch out. Be pumped up. The German girl, you ready for more than 47?
Get those wheels as hot as Phoenix Flames!
Who the hell? 66. Amazing, dude. I catch him. What's up? Bang girl. Doing 4 points.
Step on the pedal to the metal.
dass wir so in die Halbzeit kommen, Alter. Ja, dann mal das Footballfield mehr kommen. What the fuck? Another one. Oh gosh, you scared me, sweetheart. You're the girl, actually, and now you just... What do you need next? 1,200. Can't use that one. Clicking house we have right now, right? You should. You can't. You done the Civic. Once. For once. So zombie girl, let me know. You dry down below? Or you dry in your brain? Coughing down 36 nails.
Do you smell that? Yeah, that smells like a wongy wongy victory! Let's get it!
Wanna deliver? You. So you think actually the other vehicle can be done more? This is bullshit. Oh, 1,200 is a lot. And that became a solve. We had because upgraded. It cost me a lot to refresh the tank. Rotten hell. Whatever. It's not even 9 o'clock, goddammit. We still have actually 2 hours left. I already get drunk because of tequila. Well, let's drink a 1 liter tequila. How are you feeling? It's Monday. It's a construction worker. I'll be calm.
scars bleed golden. My name's forever known. Blood, sweat, I'll break my bones till all my scars bleed golden. My name's forever known. Bang, 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 the sky is the weapon. Bang, 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 won't stop till we're legend. Won't stop till we're legend.
One step for the other. One step for the other one. For dirty times.
One dirty trick versus a non-like trick. You tricked me here. Thanks for not even one like.
I figure it out all the times what you're dealing dumb with. And you don't care. I believe your fat ass wide open daddy actually telling you what the hell is going on with your fucking iPhone, or that you have a bad connection with your 5G as we have already 6G. Or whatever. Let me just win it here. Maybe. You're not working. It's lousy motherfucking 10-year-old guys. I can't help you, because you don't never wasn't work. Never you wasn't work in your fucking life. After being actually 21 years old. Construction work. Knowledge versus younghood. Good night. Hello, Snooky! How could I forget you? There were so many troubled actions. Not ready for this race. How you doing? Some on the cashier incoming. Just be sweet enough for Egypt Snooki. You can remember about 5,000 years ago. You don't. You're just watching it to your cell phone. Now is now. I need these claims. I don't need these claims. Fuck these claims. Be something or nothing. Then you can mess around with other people's. Can catch all these claims what I get. I've been already in the S class. I don't need. Never you will get actually a guy. If you get them, you're not getting actually a child. Not for the future, and then you're miserable. We better clone ourselves for 20 years ago. These generations are fucked. Not one I actually want to work. Mama, Papa on the cell phone. Money, money we need. Get your own money. Get your life together by yourself. You can't, right? You can't help your mother or father. You're stupid. You're promoted. You by actually 79. Schon ein bisschen wenig. Ah, ich brauche meine Zeit. Bitte det prioritera sig nu då. No likes. They're just watching. They came definitely not from Germany. India, Indonesia. They have no life. They're retarded and stupid. Let them go to school. Russell's a piece of shit. Oh gosh. What the hell? Das ist der Model Combat 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, sure. Perfect driver. No one can beat me. Have a nice night. You are so desolated stupid. Country vintage. ...405 Tonnen. Nö, überhaupt nicht. Ich bin es nur böse. Ah. Du bist ja echt ohne Scheiß. Für uns, für die Maurer, der letzte Dreck. Weil wir alles dann auch ausmachen müssen, damit es ja auch abweisend fürs Wasser ist. Das ist der letzte Dreck. Ein Fensterbauer ist einfach nichts wert. Schleichte, Schleichte. Dabei die Fenster für mich selber einfach selber. Du bist wirklich der letzte Dreck. Der Spangler hat mehr Wert als du. Deine paar Kilogramm, die ist ja nicht hinkommt. Ekelhaft. Kündig deinen Betrieb. Stell bloß noch die Fenster, wo wir brauchen. Wir bauen was einmal. Du kannst das nicht mal dicht einbringen. Das was Fensterparädel nicht bringen. Das machst du auch nicht. Du hast einen Service von 0815 oder hast du deine Fenster dann irgendwie bestellt. Verpiss dich, Alter. Für Schiebetüren, da müssen wir selber gerade bestehen. Du kannst gleich selber machen. Deine Familienbetrieb. Okay. Na, sauber.
Godspeed for the last time. My rear views like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat, but I did some dirt, now it's black. Who gon' smoke? I got gas. Who gon' choke? Who gon' gag? Who gon' boast? Who gon' brag? Who gon' boast of this rap when I goes in my path?
Rust.
We're living in the valley of the shadows. Shade, it's a dog-eat-dog world. Every dog has a day. He who dares wins, take a bite, be the brave. Roll the dice and choose like this crunch time that we play. Resistance from the cradle to the grave. You can't be held down, you can count that with a slave. The future is now, watch the future take shape. Let the body remain war, stand tall, renegade. Stand tall, renegade. It's a dog-eat-dog world, every dog has a day. He who dares wins, take a bite, be the brave. Roll the dice and choose life is crunch time that we play. You were the resistance from the cradle to the grave. You can't be held down, make it count, never a slave. The future is now, watch the future take shape. Let the ball remain raw, stand tall, renegade. Stand tall, renegade.
Asphalt Legend Unity 9.
It's a dog-eat-dog world, every dog has a day. He who dares wins, take a bite, be the brave. Roll the dice and choose life is crunch time that we play. You were the resistance from the cradle to the grave. You can't be held down, make it count, never a slave. The future is now, watch the future take shape. Let the ball remain raw, stand tall, renegade.
I am a man at war, and I am fighting for